blood moons, falling stars, and cosmic alignments. Are these just natural phenomena, or could they be divine warnings about the end of the world? Let's uncover the truth behind the Bible's astronomical prophecies. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if the stars and planets are trying to tell us something? What if I told you that the Bible, written thousands of years ago, contains prophecies about cosmic events that could signal the end of times? From blood moons to falling stars, today we're diving into the fascinating connection between astronomy and biblical prophecy. Are these celestial events just natural phenomena, or could they be divine signs? Let's explore the mysteries of the heavens and uncover what the Bible really says. Part 1. The language of the heavens. The Bible often uses the language of the heavens to convey divine messages. In fact, the very first chapter of Genesis tells us that God created the stars, the sun, and the moon to serve as signs. And God said, "Let there be lights in the expanse of the heavens to separate the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years." Genesis 1:14. This verse suggests that celestial bodies have a purpose beyond just lighting up the sky. They are meant to communicate something to us. But what exactly are these signs, and could they be linked to the end times? Part 2. Blood moons and solar eclipses. One of the most talked about celestial signs in recent years is the blood moon, a phenomenon where the moon appears reddish during a total lunar eclipse. This event has sparked intense interest because of its connection to biblical prophecy. In Joel 2:31, it says, "The sun will be turned to darkness and the moon to blood before the coming of the great and dreadful day of the Lord." Similarly, in Acts 2:20, this prophecy is repeated, linking cosmic events to the end times. But are blood moons really a sign of the apocalypse? While some theologians and pastors, like John Hagee, have connected recent blood moon tetrads, a series of 4 consecutive blood moons, to significant world events, scientists explain that blood moons are a natural result of sunlight filtering through Earth's atmosphere during a lunar eclipse. So, is this a divine warning or just a beautiful astronomical event? The debate continues, but one thing is clear. The Bible uses these phenomena to remind us of God's power and the certainty of His plans. Part 3. Falling stars and cosmic chaos. Another celestial sign mentioned in the Bible is the falling stars. In Revelation 6:13, it says, "And the stars in the sky fell to earth, as figs drop from a fig tree when shaken by a strong wind." This vivid imagery has led many to wonder, could this be a reference to meteor showers, asteroids, or even a catastrophic cosmic event? While the Bible often uses symbolic language, some scholars suggest that this could describe a real astronomical phenomenon, such as a massive asteroid impact or a supernova. Others believe it's a metaphor for the collapse of worldly powers. Either way, the message is clear. The heavens are not as stable as they seem, and God's judgment will shake the very foundations of creation. Part 4. The Great Sign in the Sky. One of the most intriguing prophecies is found in Revelation 12:1-2. A great sign appeared in heaven. A woman clothed with the sun, with the moon under her feet and a crown of 12 stars on her head. She was pregnant and cried out in pain as she was about to give birth. Many biblical scholars and astronomers have tried to decode this passage. Some believe it refers to a specific alignment of planets and constellations, such as the alignment of Virgo, the Sun, the Moon, and the 9 stars of Leo in 2017. While interpretations vary, this passage reminds us that the heavens are part of God's grand narrative. Whether through literal astronomical events or symbolic imagery, the Bible uses the cosmos to point us toward His ultimate plan. Closing. So, are the stars and planets signs of the end times? The Bible certainly suggests that celestial events have spiritual significance. Whether it's blood moons, falling stars, or cosmic alignments, these phenomena remind us that God is in control of the universe and His plans are unfolding according to His timeline. As Luke 21:25-28 says, "There will be signs in the sun, moon, and stars. On the earth, nations will be in anguish and perplexity at the roaring and tossing of the sea. When these things begin to take place, stand up and lift up your heads, because your redemption is drawing near. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, the heavens are more than just a beautiful sight. They're a reminder of God's promises and His eternal plan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves exploring the mysteries of faith and science. Until next time, keep looking up.